Arithmetic progression, exercise 5.1. First problem. In which of the following situation does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? What we are finding is, in this statement they have given 3 sums. In this statement you have to check whether this will form arithmetic progression or not. So I am going to read for you. The taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is 15 rupees for the first kilometer. See, for the first kilometer a price is fixed 15 rupees. After that each kilometer will be increased by 8 rupees. You have to pay after second kilometer. Every kilometer you will be increased by 8 rupees. This first, what fixed charges will be first term A, and the difference, common difference will be this 8. So now I am going to start the problem. First you are going to write exercise 5.1, first problem. Okay, according to the statement. According to the statement, what they are saying, first kilometer will be fixed. Let us take second kilometer, third kilometer, fourth kilometer, and so on. First kilometer is fixed 15 rupees. This is compulsory. For 1 kilometer it's compulsory 15 rupees. Next kilometer you are going to pay extra 8 rupees. So what you are going to write?
23.
15 plus 8?
23.
23. Again for third kilometer, again you have to pay extra 8 rupees. 23 plus 8?
31.
31. Same you are going to repeat for each kilometer. For every kilometer you are going to pay 8 rupees extra. 31 plus 8?
39.
39. Good. So this will be the amount you are going to pay after each kilometer. What's the general form?
A.
A.
First term is A. Second
plus
term will
D.
be A plus D. Third term will be A
A
plus
plus
2D. And fourth term will be
A plus 3D.
So here in this problem, in the beginning I said A equals to first term, that is fixed charges 15, and the common difference will be
8.
the 8 rupees what you are paying extra for each kilometer. So A is 15. Here A is 15 plus common difference is
8.
8. 15 plus 8?
23.
23. So you got this. Next A will be 15 plus 2 into 8. This 2, D means 8. So 2 8s are
16.
plus 15,
31.
31. Next 15 plus 3 into D. Common difference is 8. 3 8s are
24.
24 plus 15.
39.
So even this is correct. See the common difference for AP, for arithmetic progression, there is a condition. That is, the common difference should be same. See, the common difference is same. So this is
An AP.
arithmetic progression. You have to complete the sentence here. What you are going to write? Therefore,
This forms an AP.
this forms an AP. Exercise 5.1, second problem. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. See here in this statement, they have given a cylinder, second problem. a cylinder here is a cylinder. You are going to remove air from this cylinder through vacuum pump. One at a time you are going to remove 1/4 of its air. So 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. So 4 times you are going to remove the air through vacuum pump. First of all, we don't know the amount present in this cylinder. So we are going to consider it as
X.
which we don't know. We will consider it as
X.
let the air present in the cylinder be
X.
X. Each term, when you remove the air, you are going to extract only 1/4 of the amount. You have to find out the common difference to check AP, whether it is AP or not. Okay, first term will be X. Full cylinder air, we are going to consider it as X. First term is X. Next one, the air present in the cylinder minus air present in the cylinder 1/4 of it, it's air. You are going to take out LCM. Term I am going to mark it like this. LCM is 4. You know the LCM very well. I am not explaining. 3x divided by 4. 4x minus x is 3x. So you got second term. I am going to mark this also. Now the left air is 3x divided by 4 minus left air 3x divided by 4 into again 1/4 air you have to remove. So into 1/4. First you have removed 1/4. Now this portion you are going to remove. Again you have to simplify this. 3x divided by 4. 3 minus 3x. 4 4s will be 16. Now take out the LCM. LCM will be 16. Next step
12x.
12x
minus
3x.
9x by 16.
Good. This will be your third term. This is AP or not, means what you have to find out is
Common difference.
that is common difference. Common difference you have to find out means second term minus the previous term. A2 minus A1. Third term minus
Second
previous term. So A3 minus A2. A4 minus A3. So here first term is first term, second term, third term. First term, second term is 3x divided by 4 and first term is x. Even here simplify by taking LCM. 3x minus 4x. 3x minus 4x
1x.
minus 1x. Don't forget minus. And next one is third term will be
9x by 16.
okay. Second term
3x by 4.
minus 3x by 4. Here also you have to take LCM. 9x minus 12x. 9x minus 12x will be
3x
don't forget minus.
minus 3x.
You got the common difference. See, if this is AP means what's the condition?
The common difference.
The common difference should be same. Is the common difference same?
No,
Then what is the result?
it's not an AP.
So it does not form AP. Due to
Due to
common
difference
difference
is not similar.
are not similar. You understood?
Yeah.